Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed commutative property. In this video we will learn associative property. Today our topic is associative property. Here we have the 3 digits and we will multiply them. Here we will multiply 2 and 4. 2 into 4 we get 8 and we will multiply it with the remaining digit, that is 5. And that is equals to, if we multiply 5 and 2, last 2 digits, we will write 4 as it is and we will write the answer of 5 into 2. We get 10. In the left hand side, if we multiply 8 and 5 we get 40. And if we multiply 4 into 10 we get 40. Let's take another example. In the first step 2 and 4 are added. If we add 2 and 4 we get 6 and we will add the remaining digit. In the right hand side we will add 5 and 2. 4 will be written as it is. 5 plus 2 makes 7. In the left hand side if we add 6 and 5 we get 11. And on the right hand side if we add 7 and 4 we get 11. First of all we will solve left hand side. Here two numbers are multiplying each other, 3 and 5. If we multiply 3 and 5, 3 into 5 we get, yes students, think and tell me. Very good, 3 into 5 we get 15. 3 into 5 we get 15. And then we will multiply it with the next number, that is 4. On the right hand side, we will multiply 5 and 4 in the first step. We will write 3 as it is. Now multiply 5 and 4 and tell me the answer. 5 into 4? 5 into 4 we get 20. 5 into 4 we get 20. Now we will multiply 15 and 4. That comes 60. 15 into 4 we get 60. Repeat it. 15 into 4 we get 60. On the right hand side we will multiply 3 with 20. 3 into 20 we get 3 into 20 we get 60. If we see, we get 60 on both the cases. It means multiplication is associative. Now we will add 8 and 2 in the first step. If we add 8 and 2, what will we get? If we add 8 and 2 we get 10. In 10 we will add 20. On the right hand side, first of all we will add 2 and 20. We will write 8 as it is. Now add 20 and 2 and tell me the answer. If we add 20 and 2, it comes 22. On the left hand side now we will add 10 and 20. If we add 10 and 20, we get 30. And on the right hand side, we will add 8 and 22. Hurry up students, add 8 and 22 and tell me the answer. If we add 8 and 22, we will get 30. In both the cases, we have the same answer. This rule is associative property of addition and multiplication. Associate means to combine together. In simple words, it means that if we change the position of the numbers which are added or multiplied, the answer will remain the same. Subtraction and division are not associative. This simply means that we will not get the same answer if we combine two numbers differently when subtracting or dividing. Let's take the example. 4 is subtracted from 15 in the first step. We get 11. Now we will subtract 1 from it. On the other side, we are subtracting 1 from 4 and we will get 3. In the left hand side, if we subtract 1 from 11, we get 10. In the right hand side, if we subtract 3 from 15, we get 12. And 10 is not equals to 12. 18 is divided by 3 in the first step. We get 6. We will divide it by 3. On the other side, we are dividing 3 by 3. It gives us 1. On the left hand side, if we divide 6 from 3, we get 2. And on the right hand side, if we divide 18 by 1, we get 18. It means 2 is not equals to 18. So we can say that subtraction and division are not associative. In this video, we have discussed associative property. In the next video, we will learn 2 or more same operations in a sentence. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.